Today we're going to kick off the holiday season with some pumpkin bread. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. In your medium-sized bowl, combine your flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Whisk it all together and set aside. Grab a larger bowl and your mixer, and beat together the butter and sugar on medium until blended. Add your eggs. Continue beating until it's light and fluffy, then beat in the pumpkin mixture. After everything is mixed, add the flour mixture from our medium bowl slowly on low speed. Add your batter to your pan and make sure it's even. This recipe makes 2 loaves. Place your bread in the oven and bake for 65 to 75 minutes. Insert a toothpick to make sure the center is cooked. If the toothpick comes out clear, it's done. Let the loaves cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer to a plate to cool completely. Once the bread is cooled, slice a piece and enjoy.